Hello and welcome. Thank you for taking the time to join me in this special reading session. So for today, we'll hear some thoughts about the reading booklet and learn how I can make the reading more exciting and engaging. To start, I'd like my young reader to read the dedication page aloud.
Para sa iyo ito, kamusta ka? Ako ang gumawa ng munting aklat na ito para sa iyo. Sana habang binabasa mo ang The Giving Tree, maramdaman mo rin ang mga natutunan ko mula rito. Ito ang kahalagahan ng pagmamahal, pag-aalaga at pagbibigay ng buong puso. Habang binabasa mo ang kwento ng puno at ng batang lalaki, naway maisip mo rin ang mga taong mahal mo sa buhay, tulad ng nanay o tatay mo, mga kaibigan o guro. Naalala mo ba ang huling beses na tumulong ka o nagpakita ng kabutihan sa kanila? Minsan, ang isang simpleng tulong o ngiti ay sapat na para mapasaya ang isang tao. Ginawa ko ang aklat na ito hindi lang para magkwento, kundi para hikayatin ka ng maging mabuti, mapagbigay at mapagmahal sa iba. Sana'y magsilbing paalala rin ito na kahit bata pa tayo, kaya natin gumawa ng kabutihan sa simpleng paraan. Patuloy ka lang magbasa, matuto at mangarap. Naniniwala ako sa kakayahan mo at alam kong malayo ang mararating mo.
That was very wonderful. This dedication page is very special because it represents my appreciation for the people who inspired us to learn and grow, just like the giving tree in the story. Now, for the second part of this video, now let's talk about your experience in reading the booklet. So, young reader, what are the 3 things that you like the most about the reading booklet that you have just read?
The first thing that I like about the reading booklet is I love the pictures. The hand-painted illustration on the cover is really nice. It made the story feel more magical. The second one is the story itself was touching. I liked how the tree kept giving and how it showed kindness. And the third is the fun activities at the end helped me understand the story better. The vocabulary test and comprehension questions made me think.
That's amazing. I'm really happy that you like those parts. The artwork is indeed very special, and the story of kindness is something that we can all learn from. Now, if you could add or change anything in the booklet to make it even more fun and exciting, what would that be?
Maybe add more colorful illustrations inside, not just on the cover. It would be fun to see pictures of the boy growing up. And I would like to see more interactive activities, like a crossword puzzle or a maze related to the story. And lastly, a section where I could write my own ending to the story would be cool. I want to imagine what would happen if the boy planted a new tree.
Those are wonderful ideas. Adding more illustration inside would make the story more engaging. And having creative exercises like writing a prompt or puzzle would be exciting. And for the third part comes the parents' advice and insights about the booklet. Now that we have heard from our young reader, I'd love to hear from their guardian on their insights about the booklet and So based on everything that was shared, what advice would you give me as I prepare to become a professional teacher?
First is I really appreciate the effort you put into making this booklet engaging. It is clear that you value both learning and creativity. One thing that stands out is how the story teaches an important lesson about selflessness, which is great for children to learn. We all know that most children nowadays are, shall we say, quite selfish, thinking only about themselves.
Yes.
As a future teacher, my advice would be to always make learning interactive, especially that children have very short attention span, so they would love activities where they can be creative and participate.
Thank you so much for your advice. So making lessons engaging, and I do agree that making lessons engaging and interactive is definitely something that I should aim to do as a future teacher. So for the next question, do you have any comments or suggestions on how I can improve both my reading booklet and this video reading session?
Okay, although the booklet is already quite good, here are some of my suggestions. I think adding more illustrations, just like what the learner had said, inside the booklet would make it even better. A picture alongside the text would help children visualize the story more easily. Not only visualizing but understanding the content of the booklet. I also love the idea of expanding the activities. What would you do section or a drawing prompt where kids can illustrate their own giving tree could make it more fun. Children are very imaginative, and you will be surprised with the outputs that they will be able to give you. Sometimes you cannot even imagine that they would come up with such illustrations. And the last, maybe in the video session, you can ask more open-ended questions that encourage children to think about how they can be generous. Last but not the least, maybe in the video session, you can ask more open-ended questions that will encourage children to think about how they can be generous in real life. Giving maybe their personal experiences will be so much fun.
Thank you so much. Every insights you have shared today will help me create better educational materials and become a more effective teacher. But before we end, would you like to share any final words of wisdom for me as I prepare for my journey in education and as a future teacher?
As an elementary teacher in the past 35 years, I think, there is no question that teaching is a wonderful profession. In fact, it's the best profession that one could ever have. Remember to always listen to your students. They have great ideas, just like my grandson who shared his thoughts today. Keep making learning fun and always think about how lessons can connect to real life experiences. This will make the lesson more interesting for the students.
Okay, so that means so much. I truly appreciate your time, insights, and kind advice. And I hope that this reading booklet continues to bring joy and learning to the children.